Okay, crack. Crack. Yow. That was a nice one. I love thunderstorms. Holy fucking shit. That was like a gunshot. Oh my god.